Do you want to know how you can enable the autoplay option on Amazon Prime Video? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can enable the autoplay option or disable it on Amazon Prime. So let's go ahead and start with it. Go ahead and open Prime Video, which is on your phone. Now tap on your profile, which you can see on the top right hand side, and go to settings. Then you can see autoplay option. If you turn it off, the next episode will not be played, but if you turn it on, while you play the next episode, it will automatically go to the next episode after the episode ends. So guys, this is how you enable or disable the autoplay options provided by Amazon Prime Video. I hope this one was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.